What?
Come here, look.
Did something break?
Come on.
Oh my goodness, there's so many. What? Oh my gosh, and look how tall those freaking stems are.
I know.
Let mommy in here.
Oh,
I have never had ranunculus get this tall.
You want latte?
Yeah, I wanted a lot of these.
Oh, Mama, down. Oh, it was.
Oh man,
What?
I think this one got too much water. Looks like it's getting rotten.
Mom, look.
And that's a pretty
Mom,
one.
look, Mom.
Ooh, I love that. And that orange is pretty
I'm
too.
not eating no. Yeah.
You didn't even know that?
Yeah.
Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me for today's video. This was a very unplanned video. I'm actually filming this after I filmed the video. My son and I came out here before I went to work, and I was just going to make sure nothing needed watered because I have some seedlings in here that I wanted to make sure didn't get too dry. And while I was checking those out, I realized the ranunculus have just exploded. And then we also took you around to show you some tulips and daffodils and some other things that are getting ready to just explode with blooms. Look at that.
I know. Mom, what's that?
I've never had a lot of these colors. Hold on, careful. This is the most beautiful...
Oh, look.
Hold on, bub.
Look, Mom.
This is the most beautiful shade of pink, like a fuchsia pink. It's coming in red, but it's actually a very beautiful pink.
Look.
Wow, that yellow is pretty. And look at how tall those are.
Look that one.
Yeah.
Mom, look at that bubble one. Mom, what is that?
Leave that there. That's a sunflower, but I'm gonna go ahead and let that grow. I didn't plant it, but...
Oh, look.
Yeah, that's cool. That's got a green center.
I know.
Are you so excited?
Yeah. I want to tell you that I love all you.
Oh, I bet you a rabbit had to have gotten in here and laid on these. I don't know though, because they're so brown looking. I hope they're not getting rotten. We've had rain for like 5 or 6 days straight, so you can see how wet this ground is in here. And obviously it's in a hoop house, and you know, I've not watered, so this is all from soaking up the water from outside.
Mom, come here.
1 second, Bubba. Right here,
No,
it floods really bad.
Mom, wait. Let me see what you thought about.
You want to see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Well, you can't see the people that I'm talking to. It just shows you that. Hold on. Okay, tell them about my... Right there, we're growing broccoli. Hold on, you got to move the camera real slow. Tell them we're growing broccoli and Brussels sprouts.
Mama.
Right here. And cabbage. Oh, you want to show them the flower?
Yeah. Look.
Just move it kind of slow, okay?
Okay.
You're doing a great job.
Uh-oh.
Oh, man. How'd that get in there?
I don't know. Oh,
Oh, man, another one's broken. And that one doesn't look rotten, so that's got to be a rabbit or something that's gotten in here.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I don't got it here.
Oh, you're talking to my subscribers?
Yeah.
Just talk loud and slow so they can understand you. You want them to see that pink flower?
Yeah.
All right. Show them this pretty white one.
Okay.
Isn't that so pretty?
Look.
I know. Wow, you're doing a great job, Bubba, holding the flower and the camera. Perfect. All right. Say that's all now, guys. One more.
Yeah, one more.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Oh, wait. Let me do that way more.
Okay. So now it is actually a little bit later in the day. I never did come out and water those brassicas that I came out here to water in the first place because we got distracted looking at all the beautiful blooms. So now I'm going to water these seedlings, and then I'm going to go in and start my zinnias. So excited. I'm going to have 2 9-foot rows of zinnias this year in the cut flower garden. I'm so excited. So if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button for more videos like this. And if you liked this video, then plant your finger on that like button for me. But that's going to be it for this one, guys. Thanks, and I will talk to you in the next one.